Lesson 22. Surrender. Every creature on earth and all celestial beings are under the sway of the three energies of nature. No one is exempt. Duties within the social order are influenced by the dominant energy in an individual's nature, shaping their responsibilities and actions. Peacefulness, self-control, purity, tolerance, honesty, wisdom are inherent qualities of the intellectually minded people, arising from their nature. Heroism, power, determination, resourcefulness, courage, leadership, and a firm commitment to never retreat are natural qualities of the leaders. Farming, trade, industrial work are natural occupations of the working class. Perfection is attained by devotion to one's own duties. By performing work selflessly, one worships the Creator who dwells in every creature, and this brings fulfillment. It is better to perform one's own duties imperfectly than to perfectly perform another's, as staying true to one's nature incurs no grief. Every action has its flaws, just as fire is shrouded by smoke. Therefore, one should not abandon their duties, even if they are imperfect. Free from attachment, mastering the senses and passions, one who acts for the sake of service alone truly transcends action. A person with pure intellect, controlling the self, free from desires and attachments, living a simple life, is fit to become one with the Creator. Being in harmony with the Divine, experiencing joy in the self, and treating all beings with equanimity, one attains pure devotional service to the Lord. Through devotion, one truly understands the Lord, thus entering into the eternal kingdom of the Lord. Engaging in all actions for sake of the Lord, fully devoted to the Lord, and relying on Lord's grace, one attains the eternal, imperishable state. Make every act an offering to the Lord. Regard Lord as your only protector, and meditate on Lord always. With your mind focused on the Lord, you will overcome all obstacles by Lord's grace. If you do not listen to the Lord, you will be lost. If you say, I will not fulfill my duties, your own nature will drive you into them. Bound by your own karma, you will be compelled to act according to your nature, even if you do not wish to. The Lord resides in the hearts of all beings, directing their actions according to their nature. Surrender fully to the Lord with all your heart. By His grace, you will attain peace and the eternal abode. Reflect on this profound teaching. Choose your path accordingly. This wisdom is for your benefit. Think of the Lord, be devoted to the Lord, worship the Lord, and offer your homage to the Lord. Doing so, you will surely come to the Lord. Renounce all other paths and surrender exclusively to the Lord. Lord will purify you from the sins of the past. Do not grieve. This sacred knowledge should not be shared with those who lack devotion, who do not engage in austerity, or who are not ready to listen. Those who share this supreme secret with Lord's devotees will attain pure devotional service and will surely merge with the Lord. No one is dearer to the Lord than one who shares this knowledge, and there will never be anyone dearer. Those who meditate on these holy words and worship the Lord with wisdom and devotion will find eternal peace. Those who listen to this sacred knowledge, believing with faith and without malice, will be liberated and attain the realms of the righteous.